In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new method to make money online. We've never talked about this method before, so make sure you pay close attention and watch every minute of in this video so you don't miss the method that we're going to implement to make money in today's video. All right, this method is worldwide free. Okay, you can do this anywhere you are. First of all, this method is easy, simple, and you don't need any skill, okay, to earn money with this method. All right, and once again, it is available worldwide, so you can do this from any country you are. All right, the potential earning on this method I'm going to show you is when you translate one file, you get from $50 to $100. When you translate 5 files, you can get $250 to $500, and when you translate 10 files, you can get $500 up to $1,000. All right, this is the potential earnings that you can earn with this method I'm going to show you in today's video. All right, so if you come from United States, Canada, Philippines, India, Nigerian, Pakistan, this method is going to work for you. All right, and even from other countries. But before we jump into today's video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do create video that show people how to earn money online every week. All right, so if you subscribe to my channel now and also press that notification bell button, I'm going to send you updates every time when I make new video like this, so you don't want to miss that. And before we move on to this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because that's to show my video to new people that would like to make money online. So thanks for your support, and let's move on into today's video. So the name of this website is called latium.org. I will leave it on the screen here. Okay, to sign up, you just want to go to sign up free. All right, and when you click sign up free, it will bring you to the next process. But first, before we move on to that, you need to go to I want to work. All right, then it's going to bring you to this process to sign up. So you're going to write your first name, your last name, your email address, and your username and password. Okay, and you click I'm not a robot, and then you can continue to this platform. All right, but one thing is very, very important. After filling up this process, this sign up process, you need to confirm your email address immediately. All right, so you can start using this platform and earn money on this platform. All right, so the potential earning on this platform is, you can, as you see, there are many type of projects you can do on this platform. Okay, first of all, you just want to go and browse on the project. So you go up here and press the browse project. All right, so there are many type of different projects on this website that you can do, and earn money with it. All right, on this platform, and you can withdraw your money with different type of payment option. You can withdraw your money with Skrill, with PayPal, with cryptocurrency, and you can even request for a check. All right, okay, but before we do that, let's figure out on the features, on the project that we have on this platform. All right, first of all, we go to browse, and then at the left side here, you can see these are all the type of project that you can do, okay, on this platform. I can imagine that you don't know how to do graphic design also like me, okay, or social and digital marketing, or website software and user testing and so on. But this simple method I want to show you, we're going to use the power of Google Translator, all right, to do this project. So we want to go to translate and language. We click on the translate and language. All right, so it's going to give us all this type of project that people are looking for workers who will take care of this project. All right, as you see, there's one here for $5 up to $25 to translate language to another. All right, all you need to do is just translate language from one language to another language here. All right, there's another one too here for 350 up to 425 to translate Chinese to English, okay, in 15 pages. All right, and so on. Yeah, there's another one here, landing page translator English to Spanish, Korean. So this is for $225 to $300. All right, and there is another one here to translate the 5 different languages for $500 to $1,000. So guys, all we want to do here is that we want to neutralize the power of Google Translator to make this project. All right, first of all, we need to go on this. Let me just click on this first. Okay, after you sign up, you can approach this bit. You can approach this project. Okay, you can write how much you want to bid on this job. All right, and you will write a little bit a message qualification. You write a little bit message here to let the person know why you qualify for this project. All right, there's another one here, translate English to Korean. Okay, translate restaurant menu English to Spanish. Okay, or you can translate 27 Amazon listing English to Japanese. All right, this is very easy. For example, if I will show you how we're going to use the neutralize the power of Google Translator to do this project. All right, so first of all, we want to go to Google and write Google Translator. All right, then it will bring us to a page like this. Okay, for the Google Translator, I already have this project that I want to just show you how you can translate it, and this project is written in Hindi. All right, so comment below if you know Hindi or you are from India. All right, so in this case, it's a Hindi article translated job to English, okay, for $80. So how we're going to do this is very simple. This one I want to show you. We're going to use the power of Google Translator to do this project. All right, first of all, we just go here and copy the first set. Okay, we copy it and go to Google Translator and print it and paste it here. You see Google already dictated the language and it already translated to English. All right, so we just want to go here and copy it and open Google Docs. Okay, open a Google document. Okay, for people who don't know Google Documents, you just go to Google and write Google Docs. All right, so when you write Google Docs, it's going to bring you to this page here. All right, you just have to let me just go back so I can show you very well what I really mean. So we need Google Docs for this. We just go to Google, write Google Docs. All right, so it's this second one here. So it's going to bring us to, now we are on Google Docs. We can now press this plus button to bring it to, so we're going to get the empty Google Docs worksheet to now paste the word we've translated to. All right, the Hindi to English translated words here. All right, and we go back and we can then copy the remaining articles. Okay, and we go to Google Docs. First we need to delete this. Just press on the X to delete it, and then we paste the other articles. So we can now copy the English translated and paste it here to the other ones. All right, so that's how it works, guys. All right, and this also works for different type of works like that. Okay, I have a second example I'm going to show for you guys. For example, this one here. It's these articles here, Chinese articles translated job to Spanish for $150. All right, this is very easy. We go to Google Docs again. All right, and this time we don't want it to translate to English, we want it to translate to Spanish. All right, so we don't need to tap with this one, you just leave it on dictate language. All right, so that means that when we paste the language there, the Google translator will dictate what kind of language is it, and it will translate it to what the type of language you want it to translate it to. All right, so we just go here and copy this. We're going to do like the first one. Okay, copy it and then go to Google translator and paste it on this place here. So it's going to dictate it and it's now translated to Spanish. All right, so we can now copy the Spanish translated translated word. We can now copy and go open another Google Docs to paste this second project on it. All right, so that is how to utilize the power of Google Docs with this method. So now we have it in Spanish. After that, you can withdraw your money on this website. You have different type of payment on this website. All right, you can use cryptocurrency, you can use Skrill to withdraw your money here, you can use PayPal to withdraw your money, and you can withdraw your money with check with this. Okay, and you can start withdrawing your money with at least as $1 when you have $1 in your wallet. All right, you can start to withdraw money. So comment below, let me know what payment method do you prefer in your country. All right guys, if you know you've get value on this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because that really helps my video to get in front of more people that want to learn how to make money online. Okay, and so if you're new to my channel, also subscribe to my channel, because I do create video every week on how to make money online. Click on the notification bell button, so every time when I release new video, you'll be the first I want to be notified. Okay, and I'll send you updates every time when I create new videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Also, don't forget to leave comment below, let me know which country, so I will make videos that do work very well in your country. All right, so thank you for watching this video guys. I really appreciate you for your support, and I will see you in the next video.